Hey, this is Tyler from the Iowa Library for the Blind, and today we're going to be going over bookshelf mode for your NLS player. So to begin, you need to make sure that the book is stopped by pushing the large green square button on the front of the player. Once it is stopped, you're then going to press and hold the same square button until it says bookshelf mode.
Bookshelf, 10, books, book, 1.
Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone.
Once you are in bookshelf mode, you then can use forward to go down the list of books that are on the cartridge. That is the button to the right of the square green play stop button.
4. They all saw a cat. 5, 6.
By the time when you get to the end of the list, it'll make a double beep letting you know that is the last book on the cartridge.
10. The Book of Famous Iowans.
To go back up the list, press the reverse button, which is to the left of the play stop square green button.
1.
Harry Potter.
When you find the book you want to listen to, press the play stop square button again.
Of the Keys, side 1. 5. Diagon Alley, side 2. 6. The Journey from platform 9 3/4.
In order to get back into bookshelf mode, you will then stop the book and then press and hold the square green button until you are back in bookshelf mode.
Bookshelf, 10, books, book, 1.
Then you can switch to any book you would like to, and it'll start it from the last place you left off on that book. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.